Hi class, it's Miss Torres, and let's get started with today's lesson. Over these next 2 days, we are going to spend some time learning how to build knowledge, specifically about animals, through research and how to present the information that we just learned about. Alright, so let's just start and see what you already know. We're going to play this matching game, so let's take a moment to play to see some of the characteristics we know about some animals. You can play the game by either clicking on the photo right here or just the text. So you're going to take a minute, pause the video, play the game, and then come back to the video and we'll see how you guys did. Alright, now that you guys are done, in case you didn't finish, I know I had a 5-minute timer done. I also have the answers right here. Alright, so the pairs that go together are the bear and the cave, the ox and its name right here, the snake and the desert, the birds go with the worms, and then right here we have a hare, the penguins live in the cold, this is a chimpanzee, and then we have the seals that eat the fish. Alright, so now I want to do my own research about an animal. So I'm going to pick a random animal and I want to know 5 things about it. I want to know, where do they typically live? What do they eat? What is their skin like, whether that be the pattern? Do they have fur? Are they smooth? Is it textured? And then I also want to know, do they have any predators? And then one last thing I want to include in my research is one unique fact about the animal. So the animal that I picked is a sea otter. And then for the things I want to know, I found out my information through this book right here. You can click on the picture to access the book where I got my information from. So I learned that they live in the northern part of the Pacific Ocean. They eat crabs, clams, and mussels. They have thick fur to keep them warm. And their predators are killer whales and sea lions. And then the interesting fact that I learned is that a baby sea otter is called a pup. So now that I have all this information gathered together, I want to be able to present it, and I'm going to do that just by making a simple slide of pictures. So I have the title as Sea Otters, and right here I have a photo of the pups and the sea otter mama, and right down here I have a picture of their natural predators, the killer whale and the sea lion. To the right I have a map showing the area about where they live, and then right here we have it eating its meal, which is a clam, and then this photo in the middle is a close-up for you to see the fur that they have. And then now we're going to watch this documentary, which you will be able to access by clicking on this photograph of the 3 penguins right here. And then I also want you to do a worksheet at the same time that you're watching it, which you can access by clicking on this little penguin. So I want you to have both open at the same time, watch the documentary, answer the worksheet, and pause this video. When you're done with the documentary, come back and we will discuss the answers. Alright, now that we have watched the video, done our worksheet, I have the answers on a different worksheet. It has the answers and the questions, so you can access it by clicking on this penguin right here. So you can pause the video once more, go back, compare your answers that you had and then my answers, and see what you missed, see what you need to add, change anything, just look at the similarities and differences. Alright, now I have all these post-it notes right here for you guys, and I want you to, you'll have access to the slides, so I want you to add something to it. What is one thing you're excited to learn about from your own research? What are some examples of 3 different questions we can ask for our research? And then I want you to take one sticky note, write your name on it, and write your answer below it. And in case there isn't enough room, I have 2 slides with post-it notes, and if I need to add more, I definitely can do that. And then finally, we have our final big assignment, which is our wildlife cafe. We have our appetizers, entree, and dessert. So for the appetizers, you will be able to pick 1 or 3 of the appetizers to share about on a Google Slides, which you will be able to access by clicking here on this link. So the appetizer will include the Google Slides with 5 different animals. You'll have the zebra cakes, the Swedish fish, the bear claws, otter pops, and gummy blue dolphins. Once you click on those, you will be able to take another post-it note similar to this and you will add to either one slide or 3 slides, whether you choose to do it on the same animal or 3 different animals, something that you already know about them. And then moving on to the entree, you will be able to pick one out of the 3 options for your main course meal, which will either be to create a pamphlet, recording an oral speech, or writing a creative story. And this will all be about the research that you chose to do on the animal that you picked. And then finally, the dessert. After you finished your research, you will pick 3 out of the 6 characteristics to draw for the animal that you found information on. So it could be the animal as a whole, it could be what their habitat looks like, it could be their diet, like all the different kind of foods that they eat, it can be the pattern or texture of their body. For example, if you wanted to create the pattern of the giraffe, you would include the spots. You can draw their footprint, you can draw their ears, kind of like a little Disneyland style ear, or just draw their ears. But you have the option to pick 3 out of the 6. If you want to do more, that is totally fine, but you're just required to do 3 of them. And then you will have all of these together to submit at the end of the assignment and the lesson. And I can't wait to see what you guys create. Thank you.